if you want to make money online, you need to take the risks that others are not willing to take. You need to make sure you take that risk, and that risk is creating content. Make sure you create content on these social media platforms if you want to make money online. And I know many people will say, oh, I can make money by running ad and other things. That's not, and doing surveys. For surveys, it's never going to help you. When you think you can make a lot of money on surveys, it's never going to help you. But run an ad for a particular, let's say for affiliate networks or so, you can get paid for that, but it costs money. But when you want to use free means to make or little money to make more money on these social media platforms, you need to like create content day in and day out, because the more you create content, the more you're going to be noticed by the algorithms, and they are going to like push your video out to other people as well. So don't just sit down and think that, oh, this one I'll just use one day and do all the work. It's never going to happen. You can't use one day to do all the work, and you'll be discouraged even when after you upload all the videos. Let's say you do about 5 videos and upload it. When you are not motivated, like, and all these videos you are not lucky enough and you are just starting out and they haven't gotten a single view, you'll be like demotivated that, oh, you don't want to even continue the journey. But the journey is always tough, but as you go on, it always becomes smoother. So don't expect smooth journey at the beginning. It's going to come in the middle or at the end. So focus more on content creation nowadays. Film your daily activities. If you don't have anything to share, film your daily activities and post it there, and people are making a lot of money on that. And that is why they call it vlogs. They've called that kind of videos as vlogs. If you also know it, fine, but for those who don't know it, they call those kind of videos as vlogs, and people make a lot of money from that. And the RPM can range from $2 to $5, which is a good amount of like money for like a small content creator. And you can use it to buy other equipment to continue your content creation journey, and you're going to make a lot of money. So guys, there's a lot of potential in this online space, but it doesn't happen one day. But how are you going to like be getting videos like this that is going to be motivating you to be doing all the work, and later on expecting later pay from your channel? All what you need to do is that you need to follow this particular YouTube channel, or if you're watching on TikTok, follow me along, and I'm going to be dropping videos like this. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.